Good morning and happy Friday. So today's date, month, day, here it's the 8th of December already. I wonder what you want for Christmas. I think I want lots of money for Christmas. Okay, today we're going to do two different types of angles. Actually not angles by themselves, but angles that when they're put together make something special. The first type of angle we're looking at is a complementary angle, and then a supplementary angle. Okay, I write it, you write it. You know the drill by now. Okay, so let's first talk about complementary. To start off, I want to start off by saying the word complementary. Means you are giving someone a nice compliment. You're being nice. You're being nice. You're giving someone a compliment. This is not the same as that. Complementary is when angles together equal 90 degrees. Complementary is when angles together equal 90 degrees. All right, this is important. Okay, know that definition. So for example, when I have a 90-degree angle, and I know it's 90 degrees because of my little box that I put over here, I can split it up. I can split it up into something small and then into something bigger. Okay, the small angle could be 10 degrees. My bigger angle here could be 40 degrees, and then they can ask me for this angle. And of course I know that since everything together is 90, I'm going to go 90, take away 40, and 10 is 90, minus 50. So my answer is 40 degrees. So this too is 40 degrees. So let's quickly say this one more time. From here to here, it's 10. From here to here, it's 40. And then we worked out that the rest of 40 degrees. Now these angles are complementary. Why? Because when we put them together, they equal 90 degrees. Okay? What can I do with this? What can I do with this? Okay? You can do this with it. You can do this and say that this angle is 2x. And this angle is 4x. And then I want to know, how big is this angle? And how big is this angle? Okay. The only thing you know for sure is that together they are 90 degrees. So together they must equal 90. So what do? I put them together. I go 2x plus 4x must be 90 degrees. I see it right here. And 2x plus 4x is 6x, being equal to 90 degrees. And this is whoosh, a one-step equation. Divided by 6, divided by 6, x turned out to be 15 degrees. Okay, quickly recap. We added up 2x and 4x and made it equal to 90, which came out that x was equal to 15. Does that answer my questions over here? No, it only tells me that x is worth 15. So now we look at 2x. If 1x is 15, then 2x would be 2 times 15, which is 30 degrees. 30 degrees. What did I do? I plugged in 15 where I saw x. What about 4x? 4x would then be 4 times 15, which is 60 degrees. So this angle should be 60 degrees. So what did we do? We used our algebra knowledge by adding up our x's to do a geometric problem. We equaled them to 90. We added the x's. We got x all by itself. We isolated the variable. Then we plugged it back in. And now we can, with confidence, say this is 30 and this is 60. This is not difficult. We can do this. So next comes supplementary. Supplementary angles when put together, sorry about that, when put together equals, here it comes, drum roll, 180 degrees. Okay, the previous one was 90 degrees. This one is 180 degrees. Now I don't have much space left here at the bottom, so I'm going to go to the next page. Here we go. So supplementary equals 180. How can they ask me that? First of all, I'm going to make a straight line because we're talking about 180, right? So I can do this. I can say this angle is 120 degrees. How big is that angle? And you would just say, that's easy. Since this is a straight line, I'm going to start with 180 degrees. I'm going to take away the 120 that they gave me, and voila. My other angle that I'm looking for equals 60 degrees. This is not difficult, I'm telling you. Here comes another example. Only this time, what is your teacher going to do? Yeah, she's going to throw in some x's, right? Okay, here we go. So let's make this one like this, and that one like, ooh, this is interesting. And I'm going to do this. This is x, this is x, and this is, let me see, 3x, just for the fun of it. So they gave me no angles, or did they? Of course they did. This straight line is 180. So if I take this angle plus this angle plus this angle, it should be equal to 180 degrees. Now I just set it up. I go x plus 3x plus x should altogether be 180 degrees. Now I add up my x's. This is 1x, this is 1x. Together I see 5 x's equals 180. Get x alone. Divided by 5, divided by 5, x equals, let's see, 5 goes in there 3 times, that is 15. There's 3 left over, 5 goes into 30 6 times. So 1x is worth 36. So what can I say about this angle and this angle? This is 1x, this is 1x, this is 1x. So if this is 36, then this should be 36, and that should be 36. What about 3x? What about 3x? Let's see. You know, I think I might have made a mistake here. Let's see if I made a mistake. 3x would be 3 times 36, which is, what's 3 times 36? 90 plus 18 is 100. No, is it? Let's see. 36 times 3. 18, 3 times 3 is 9, plus 1 is 10, is 108 degrees. Okay, let's see if we did this work right. If 3x is 108 degrees, then 36 plus 108 plus 36 must altogether give me 180. Let's see if that's true. 108 plus 36 plus 36, 8 and 6 is 14, plus 6 is 20, carry over. 2 and 3 is 5, 3 is 8, carry over. Oh, sorry, there was no carrying over, and this is 1. Yep, it worked. It's 180. Okay. Now, the work that we're going to do together in class might not look exactly like this. We might have boxes that we're going to split up into angles or all kinds of shapes. But the point is, you know how to add your x's. You know how to get the variable alone. You know that a complementary angle is 90 degrees altogether 90, and you know that a supplementary angle is altogether 180 degrees. That was all for today. That was quick and short and easy. Okay? See you later. Bye.